Welcome to Tech Wheels, the channel where we explore the latest in the world of motors and automotive technology. Today, we dive into one of the most crucial issues of the moment: how China is revolutionizing the global electric vehicle market and why Mexico might become the new gateway for Chinese cars into the United States. We'll hear from experts and industry insiders in an exclusive interview. Stay tuned. In recent years, China has become the global leader in electric vehicle production. With over half of the world's electric vehicles being produced in its factories, China is looking for new markets for its excess production capacity. And it seems that Mexico has become a primary target for these exports. But what could this scenario mean for the U.S. automotive market? To better understand this dynamic, we interviewed Michael Dunne, an automotive market expert with over 20 years of experience in the field. Michael, how significant is the Chinese presence in the Mexican automotive market, and what could it mean for the United States? Michael Dunne. China has targeted Mexico as a prime export market, not just to sell vehicles, but also to establish production operations. With trade tensions between the U.S. and China, Mexico represents a strategic way to access the North American market. It's like a modern version of Godzilla, a giant quickly approaching, ready to shake up the automotive market. But how are Mexican authorities responding to this growing Chinese interest? Juan Carlos Baker, an international trade expert, offers his perspective. Juan Carlos, what are the Mexican government's plans to attract Chinese investments? And what could this mean for the local economy? Juan Carlos Baker. Mexico has been very receptive to Chinese automakers, offering incentives such as tax breaks and free land to establish factories here. This could create jobs and reduce the cost of importing vehicles. However, there's a risk that these factories could become the gateway for Chinese cars into the U.S. market, bypassing trade tariffs. Interview with Scott Paul, president of the Alliance for American Manufacturing. And what does the American manufacturing sector think? Scott Paul, president of the Alliance for American Manufacturing, shares his opinion. What are the main concerns for the U.S. automotive industry? The risk is that Chinese automakers, by establishing factories in Mexico, could bypass tariffs and flood the U.S. market with low-cost vehicles. This could seriously challenge American manufacturers who cannot compete with the low production costs in China. We've seen China do this in other sectors, and automobiles are the next logical target. The future of the North American automotive market could be radically transformed in the coming years. The trade tensions between the U.S. and China, combined with Mexico's rise as a production hub for electric vehicles, will undoubtedly create new challenges and opportunities. How will governments and companies react? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Wheels. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And as always, keep following us to stay informed on everything related to the future of motors and technology. This has been Tech Wheels, the channel that guides you through the automotive revolution. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on technology.